Hi, to change payment method on iPhone 16e, go in your phone settings first. And now you need to find your profile info on top. Select it and then select this third section, payment and shipping. So just click it, and after that you should see this whole setting for payment method. Here you can enter new details such as number, date of expiration, and CVV. So also you can switch from credit or debit card to PayPal by clicking here and selecting log into PayPal, or just choose credit and debit card. Here you'll see that it supports Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. So just enter its details or use camera to scan your card and then click done to save changes. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.